Hey folks, today we don't actually have an unboxing, but what we do have is a whole bunch of Pokemon Rebel Clash booster packs, Elite Trainer boxes, promo packs, tins, that sort of thing. We've even got a pre-made deck. And what I want to talk about today is the way to get the best pulls out of these different types of Pokemon media. So I'm going to switch to the overhead camera and we'll go from there. Alright, starting off we just have the standard booster packs. These have 10 additional cards. There's nothing too special about these. These are the same as anything you would get in a normal ETP box. You won't get anything extra special out of these. They're just, you have the chance of getting just about any card as normal. Okay, next we have the pre-made deck sets. So these you don't get anything special out of. It's just a pre-made deck that's ready to be played. There's nothing else like too special about that. The only good thing about it is you get the Zacian promo out of this one in particular. Other ones have different promo cards. That's really about it. Next we have the triple pack of booster cards. These ones come with a coin and just a promo card as well. These ones we've anecdotally seen the best pulls out of. These are where we've gotten most of our secret rares, gold cards, that sort of thing. We haven't gotten so many out of individual booster packs or the Elite Trainer boxes. This seems to be the best for us, and if you're out looking for them, look for these ones. These are going to be the best ones you can get. Next, we've got just generic tins. These ones don't really have any particular release. There's usually a mix of different releases in here. A lot of these have XYs. Usually they have the latest set and then the XY and maybe one other previous set. They're good, they're not great. You can get a few things out of them based on like XY, that sort of thing that you might want, but otherwise not too great. Don't really like waste too much money on these. Next, we have ETBs. ETBs are great if you want to get a lot of packs right away. Depending upon which release it is, they'll have 10 to 16 booster packs in them, along with a bunch of energies, dividers, sleeves, coins, dice, that sort of thing. So they're really good if you need to like get a starter set going. That's really what these are intended for. As far as pulls of cards, they're good. You can get rainbows, you can get rares, you can get pretty much anything. We don't see like too much of the ultra like secret rares, that sort of thing. So these are pretty expensive. They can range from $40 or $50 up depending upon the release and how popular it is, that sort of thing. So you don't want to spend too much money on these if you can get the triple booster packs, as we said before. And lastly, the giant promo card packs. These come with 4 boosters, as you can see here, small and the giant oversized card as well. These you can get secret rares in as well, so they're pretty nice for that. You get the promo card, which you can't really get anywhere else, and yeah, overall they're not too bad. So if you're thinking about picking up a bunch of Pokemon cards, either to like find secret pulls, find good cards, that sort of thing, look for these and look for the triple packs. They're going to be your best bet. Cool. Well, I hope this kind of gets you in line with like where you can find the best Pokemon cards and which ones you're going to pull from that. Like I said, these two types of packs, the character-specific packs and the triple packs with the coins, are some of the only ways you can get the promo cards. But you know, maybe you're not looking for those. You just want to get good pulls. That's where you're going to find these. So that's all we have for this video. We have cards and we have Pokemon cards, we have Disney lapel pins, we have all kinds of cool stuff on several different platforms below in the description where you can check them out. We also have affiliate links down there as well if you're looking for any other merchandise that we may have talked about, or hardware for doing video recording, that sort of thing. So check it out in the description below. See you next time.